Oh yeah, take a picture.
Oh yeah? All right. Cheers. You guys look awesome. How about a group picture? We're good?
Geez.
Yeah?
Madness continues. What do you want?
A group picture?
You gotta get my pants.
You sure? Thanks, man. All the best. Have a great day, guys. See ya.
Right?
Yeah.
Good for you, man.
Good for you. How about you? Do I get a picture of you too?
No, I don't.
You don't do that.
Photogenic.
Yes, you are.
No, I
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome.
I just like shooting on the street. I capture
Yeah.
real moments, you know?
That's nice. That's awesome. That was perfect.
Yeah, just real
little
people, you
Scottish
know?
guy.
I always like to stop, chat with people, just kind of...
Nice.
You know what? I mean, you could be without the camera and still have a great day.
Of course.
But it's even more fun with the
It
camera.
is.
And explain what you saw back there again, because I really love that expression.
The crocuses and tulips and daffodils are out. They're beautiful. It's springtime.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. Have a great day.
Ewig verloren schrieb, ich grolle nicht, ich grolle nicht, wie du hab's braust, in Diamantpracht, es fährt kein Strahl in deines Herzens Nacht, das weiß ich längst.
Cheers.
It's not nice without my permission. Not nice to do it without my permission. I don't know what is the purpose.
I'm a street photographer.
Why are you doing that?
I'm a street photographer. I just take photos of everyday life on the street.
The street people
Just street photography of everyday life on the street. It's like,
and what you are doing with those pictures.
it's just for personal pleasure. Enjoy them and remember what it was like to live in Toronto and walk the streets of Toronto. That's all it is.
I try to believe you.
Okay. If you like, I can send you a picture. That's not a problem.
No, for what?
I don't know.
See, I got millions of pictures.
Okay.
When I die, somebody will put in the garbage.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, I have a different belief about photographs. I think
So you are an artist.
I believe, well, you know what? We all have to believe in something. You know, we were only on this earth once, as far as we know.
The first important belief is believe in God. Creator. Without him, wouldn't be any camera, wouldn't be any artist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Have yourself a pleasant day.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ja im Traum.
All right, guys. Together?
Yeah.
Pose? All right.
It's my godfather.
Is he? Oh, that's awesome. Cheers, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your day.
How we get a picture from you?
Can I send you the picture?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I am 1,000 years behind.
Do you have an email address?
No, I am 1,000 years behind.
Oh.
I am so thankful. But
No, thank you.
Could you give me this
I
picture?
could, but how do you have an address? I can send them to you.
If you don't mind, could you live in the library?
Yeah, what's your name?
Bielejek, B-I-L-J-E-C.
Okay, I can leave it for you, of course.
I used to think on the paper the picture.
Okay.
It's difficult.
You want to print, eh? Okay.
Yeah,
No problem.
Anyway, whatever how you people knows me there, send it by whatever.
Okay, Prince.
Yeah. I will take my son, and he will.
Okay, so where's the library? Just there.
Yeah, Party Library.
I'll leave it in an envelope for you.
Bravo.
Okay, give me a week though. I need a week.
It's close.
Perfect.
How much we own?
Oh, you don't owe me anything, of course. No.
Gaffer.
Wird Christus in deines Herzens Nacht, das weiß ich längst. Ich grolle nicht, und wenn das Herz auch bricht, ich sah dich ja im Traume und sah die Nacht in deines Herzens Raume und sah dich lang